I just bought the cheapest Golf.
A Golf Mark 1 is everyone's favorite car, especially in high school all the way. The hype around this car is still insane even now, even if it's like 10 or 20 years old. All types of Golf are still insane, and Volkswagen made a unit of 374,484 units in South Africa. Well, even the police had a few.
Which has been sitting here for 3 years. So in my last video, I attempted to start to see does this car really run or it does not. So I attempted to start it for the very first time, and it did. And it did. So in this video, I'm attempting to put back all the broken parts. On the last video, I managed to remove the rear suspension.
Brake lever. A cable activates the rear brakes pressing against the wheel. The brakes locks up the rear wheels to hold the vehicle in position when parked.
And replace the petrol filler pipe.
To move from the filler cap opening into the fuel tank, while also allowing air to secure through the vent system.
Attempting to put back all the broken parts and getting on the road for the very first time, coming out of here. So this car was really damaged. It was broken here. I'm trying to figure out on car vertical.
Example, this Audi A4, you enter the VIN on the car vertical system. It shows the model, everything, and the database of the car, even the pictures of the car when it was on auction, damage and fault, mileage, and even the marketplace, what it values today, the records of it being damaged, and everything about the car, the model, everything, the year when it came out, everything. I bought this Golf Mark 1 from an auction place. People paid deposits and placed bids, and I was the highest bidder. I paid for the car and transport, and the Golf was delivered to me, but I never collect the ownership paper. Now that missing paper is stopping the car from being changed into my name. Now the blue Golf build was ready to move forward, but the paperwork stopped everything. The auction closed while the documents were still with them, and since then I haven't been able to reach anyone, so the build is on hold. If I continue without the proper paper, this car cannot be registered. And a blue Golf with no reg isn't a project car, it's a police stop waiting to happen.